Hello everyone, Penny here from That's Just Penny and the Junk Journal Ministry. Today I am showing you the Valentine's John 3:16 kit that goes along with a Gift of Love Prayer Pocket Ministry that we are doing, Sherry and I are doing, and several ladies for the gift shop Amy Lane in Texas. Check out all the links down below. But I made this kit, made these little printables. This book is available for as a download coming up. Check out all the links down below, and it will lead you to where you can get your very own copy of this Valentine's John 3:16 beautiful kit. The kit contains pocket templates, designer elements, journaling cards, journal pages, scrapbook pages, journaling cards, and things like that, and the information about giving the prayer pockets created and filled for the gift shop Amy Lane. All that information will be down below. Today I wanted to go ahead and show you about the prayer pockets. I went ahead and cut out my pieces. It's on like one sheet. I'll show you that. Here is the sheet. Now mine will look different because these are the proofs, so mine will look different. The ones that you download and print will look different. Also printing, some printers all print differently, so the colors that you see on your screen may not be what you print. It's just based on your printer settings. If you would like to know how to print the best that your printer can to match the digitals that you see, what you see on your screen, then you can check out my YouTube channel. I have all kinds of videos on that information. Check out the links down below once again. So here we are with this pocket. I've done cut this out. Normally with That's Just Penny Designs, the black line was meant for you to cut away because it's meant to put in a brother scan and cut and scan it through and cut. However, with this particular design, I left the black lines on to give it more of a in-depth look. And so I have got my little pieces. Now the instructions are there. If you are looking for this kit in any of my Facebook groups or in the links down below, it does have the instructions. It says the pocket was designed with glue tabs. These are the glue tabs. There are two. Cut out the pocket, fold the pocket in the middle where the dark line, black line is. Okay, so we're going to fold this in the middle, looking at here and here to make sure it's straight up here. Then it says, then fold down the glue tabs. There's only two glue tabs. If you need help folding, you can follow the line. Sometimes people just use their fingernails. And then it says glue the glue tabs to the folded pocket of the back to where the verse is. So this is the verse and this is the back. So I'm going to glue this down just like this, but I want to make sure that it all lines up before I put my glue, because sometimes printers will print things differently, things will download things differently, and so on and so on. So I want to make sure that it's square, that there's nothing sticking out before I glue it together. I want to make sure. Now you can use double-sided sticky tape, just whatever glue, whatever that you have. I like to put my glue in these see-through. I think they're supposed to be for like mustard and ketchup. These came from the Dollar Tree, so I like to put these in here because I can mix Eileen's tacky glue and Elmer's glue all together. I can mix a little gesso in there or whatever to make it thicker. Matte medium, whatever type of glue that I need to have, I can mix in here together. So that's what I like. So I'm going to make sure, get this stuff out of the way. Make sure. I'm going to give it time to glue. It says glue the tabs. Okay, so we glued those. Distress if you wish to help hide the dark middle line. Fill with your desired layered designer elements, which we have. This pocket can also be used on a journal page, in a journal pocket, or as a standalone pocket filled with journaling goodies. Embellish the back of the pocket, the pink side, with the designer elements, and do not forget to sign the back as the artist. And I used to have a little stamp that would say handmade by. It's in my prayer pocket making box or whatever. So I'm just gonna get a yellow, a red pen. I don't know what I think about yellow. A red pen, and yours will not look like this because my printer was having an issue at the moment. So these lines will not be there. But actually this line comes in handy. But anyway, on yours it will not be there. So I'm just gonna sign the Junk Journal Ministry. And this is a gift of love, prayer pocket ministry. And the Junk Journal Ministry, that was a gift of love from me to you, was a one that was my slogan or whatever that we used. I'm going to make sure that that my glue didn't glue the pocket together. And it will be, you know, it will hold pretty let's see, it'll hold a lot because we have the glue tabs. So it's not like a flat pocket. Now you can put this in a journal. Let me see, let's look at this altered book journal. Let's see if I can show you a page or something. And you can put this in, and if you glue only on the one side or the two sides, then you can make it a pocket for your journal, okay? And then what I like to do with these is I like to put them in my Bible, fill them up. We're going to fill it up here. Fill it up, put it in my Bible. I like to put a paper clip on it, and then that way if I want to give a gift of love to someone, then I will just pull it out of my Bible. So let's, I'm just going to fold this. Now you can actually cut this, and glue it to, you can just cut this and make, you know, just make two, or you can fold it where you don't, you know, if you don't cut it out individually, you can fold it and make a little booklet if you wanted to. Put some more papers, put some junk journal papers in there and staple it, and then you could have your own little journal that could go in here as well. Or you can leave it as a journaling card. You can glue it together. And things like that. So I did print, if you download the ebook, if you print back and front, if you download the PDF, then you can print back and front and you will have what you need and you won't have to distress or anything like that. So I just printed on normal copy paper. I am going to distress the edges because I want to get rid of those white edges. And I know that the line there is black, and you can most certainly do black. Or you can do, I'm doing some red. This is red. And I kind of want to see what it would look like. It blends in quite well. And this can be actually a tuck in a journal as well. That would be a journal cover, a little mini journal. That would be really cute to put in this pocket with a little mini journal. And you could put scriptures inside of it, especially if you use a lot of stickers. There are some stickers that you can get that you can actually put in like a little journal like that. So I think I'm going to leave this like this for right now because I don't know if I want to do a little journal or if I want to do another pocket, but I'm going to put this here and I can write on the back or whatever. This here. Okay, now if you are doing this for the Facebook event, a gift of love per pocket ministry, if you are doing the Amy Lane event for February, you will need to include, if you can, either the printable that I have for you or something that tells Amy Lane that this is from a Gift of Love Prayer Pocket Ministry Facebook event. And I have that information. I'll show it to you in just a second. So just kind of want to layer this up. And you can add, there's tons of stuff in this kit to add in this pocket. There's tons of things in here. There's the Valentine's prayer. There's 2 scriptures to go with it. There's all kinds of cute little journaling cards to actually fill these pockets up with. So there's all kinds of goodies there. Now, If you are sending to Amy Lane, you will need to go to the link down below to the group, A Gift of Love Prayer Pocket Ministry. And then, like I said, all the links down below. It says that this prayer pocket, this is what needs to be included if you're doing the Amy Lane. If you're making and sending to Amy Lane, you need to either write this out somehow or just write down your name and address and what it's for. I'll read it to you so you can write what you want to write inside the prayer pocket before you mail it to Amy Lane. It says, this prayer pocket is a gift of love from me to you. A Gift of Love Prayer Pocket Ministry was founded by the Junk Journal Ministry with the event coordinator, Sherry Legan. It could be Legion. I'm sorry if I say that wrong. This card states that this prayer pocket was made for Amy Lane Christian Gift Shop, created for the Facebook event for the month of February. This card is a token of charity, compassion, mercy, and grace. If you have this card, please visit the Facebook group, A Gift of Love Prayer Pocket Ministry, to let us know that you have received. Make a comment, post a picture of the pocket you've received. Prayers, love, and blessings from all of us from A Gift of Love Prayer Pocket Ministry Facebook group and the Junk Journal Ministry. John 3:16. So this is what we took, John 3:16. And if you map it out like this, it turns into the word Valentine's. So I forgot to show you. So please make sure, if you're interested in sending prayer pockets and all the information about the event for February, all that information will be down below. If you're interested in how that you can help out or send out some prayer pockets to the Junk Journal Ministry to be distributed throughout the different locations, then please, like I said, check out the links down below. Where you want to get this printable, check out the links down below. I will see you guys later. I hope to see you in the Facebook groups. If you're not in the Facebook groups, this is available on my website, That's Just Penny's main site, with all of the information, just in case that you do not have Facebook. That information will be there. So if those who like to create prayer pockets and wish to send those and help out the Junk Journal Ministry, then all that information and that link will also be down below. Bye everyone. Have a wonderful and blessed day.